You had told me in an interview that Atiku and Peter Obi are none of your option.
And Tinubu. That was my opinion. That was my personal opinion.
In the coalition, it does look like you might be back to the man who believed that you betrayed him, that you are like a Judas.
Well, you know, I will allow Obi to be entitled to his own opinion. In our religion, you don't fight for God. Since he made an insinuation that Jesus had 12 and one turned against him, that means he's even claiming that he's the Jesus in the analogy. So he made an insinuation of betrayal. No, how can you betray someone you're not working for?
He didn't pay you money throughout all the time?
I didn't ask for
He didn't give you a house?
I did not ask for any.
Did you get a house?
I did not ask for any.
Did you get?
I couldn't have gotten.
Did you get money?
I did not ask for any.
So how did you betray him?
No, he should tell
Were
me.
you walking behind him, against him?
When I worked for him, I never consulted any politician. I'm not making a public statement. I never talked with any political
So you were 100% loyal.
100%.
So why does he think that you have?
When I left, I told the whole world. And your program was even one of those programs that I used to tell the whole world. I said, from now onwards, I am not going to speak for this person again. They don't understand what betrayal means. But again, anybody who is writing or saying anything about me is a reflection of who that person is, not a reflection of who I am.